In this video, we'll be looking at how to load a model into the PyMol program. So the first option was to make use of the fetch command in the command input area. And the second option is to actually go to the protein data bank and to download the model. So firstly, we'll go to Google Chrome and we'll type in protein data bank. We'll go to their home page. And then here at the top, at the search bar, we'll type in our protein data bank code of the model. In this case, it is 1MHT. We'll select search. And here our model appears. So then we'll go to download files, PDB formats. Okay. We'll go back to the PyMol program, go to File, Open, and then Downloads. And here our PDB file is open. And we can see that PyMol has successfully loaded the model into the display area.